I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld.
Alright, so today's video is going to be an update video with this very handsome man here.
Help me! Help me!
He's being attacked by women everywhere. But this is, these are all provided by Bill's Happy Camper RV service. This one we've got all individual videos on. I'm linking them below. This is the 2024 Riverstone Legacy 39 RKFB, pricing at $149,999. So this video is going to be all about just the pricing today. So this beauty here is your 2024 Riverstone Legacy 44.2 MC, pricing today for $155,999. Bill's Happy Camper is an awesome dealership.
All that stuff. You're smart. Hershey, better smart.
So this one here is the 2024 Riverstone Legacy 425FO. Now, we shot a video on this. We got tagged because we didn't know there was a front office, which FO stands for front office. We couldn't find it. We have reshot that video. That link is below, but this one's pricing today for $159,999.
All right.
So here we have the Riverstone Legacy 4.2 FSKG. This one's pricing today at $160,999. And then we're going to get down to the big one, the toy hauler. Today we're going to have a video that also showcases the garages as well as the toy hauler back end opened. But 2024 Riverstone Legacy 4513 DST, pricing today at $168,999.
The first toy hauler.
The first toy hauler. Alright guys, so we already have a video up. I'm going to link it below that gives you kind of the inside tour of this RV, but we came back because they have the toy hauler open today. So let's come down here. We've got a glass door here. And we did showcase this last time, but not with it open. So remember, they've got the Happy Jack up there for the bedding to come down. Very roomy, great for any kind of tour you want to put in. And then it does have the party deck. Super awesome. What are your thoughts, Bob, on the toy hauler, the first ever?
I mean, I'm not real big on the full toy hauler because I don't need it, but I love it. It's beautiful, beautiful unit.
So we hope that you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, smash up that notification bell. Bob wants you to comment. Remember, we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our world.
Bye.